morning children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Dear children, in the previous session we learned that the interdependence among the biotic components. Now let us discuss what are the changes in the ecosystem in this session. The living organisms which is present in the ecosystem, they are affecting their environment to meet their needs. Some changes which are takes place in this ecosystem may be affecting the other organisms also. How the organisms are they are changing the ecosystem, let us see with a small example. If you are taking the example of these birds' habitat, when a bird eats these insects, the insect population will be controlling from getting a large population. This keeps the bird's habitat healthy and stable. But whenever too many birds are they are eating these insects, these insect population is reducing very quickly. In due course of time, the food is not enough for the birds. That's why due to the starvation and hunger, the birds are there dying. Some of the birds are there leaving the ecosystem. If the birds are leaving this ecosystem, that ecosystem will be unstable and unhealthy. In the due course of the time, the remaining insects which is present in the ecosystem, they are increasing their number by the process of reproduction. By that, they are restoring the balance in the ecosystem. Sometimes whenever these insects are not present in this ecosystem, they are not restoring the balance again. That will shows the adverse effect on the ecosystem. Here, the birds are they are eating these insects, the insect population is reduced here, the total ecosystem is changed here. Sometimes ecosystems are they are changing naturally by tsunamis, earthquakes and storms and forest fires. By this, the ecosystem will be changing very quickly. And also sometimes ecosystem may be changing by the man-made also. More usage of non-renewable resources. Overfishing. Deforestation. Construction of buildings by replacing trees. Accumulation of pollutant gases into the atmosphere from vehicles and industries. Acid rain formation. Usage of pesticides and insecticides. Discharging of treated municipal water into lakes, usage of plastics, overgrazing, overmining, increasing of carbon dioxide concentration, formation of oil spills on oceans. All these activities changes the ecosystem artificially. Let's recall what we learned here. Organisms are affecting the environment to meet their needs. Whenever any organism is eating the another organism, that particular organism is reducing in the ecosystem, that will be affecting the total ecosystem. Dear children, tomorrow we are going to discuss what are the types of ecosystems in our biosphere. Dear children, take your homework. Why do we need many more producers and fewer carnivores in a food web? Thank you very much.